London Garden Park Connector. Ayan. Ayan, let's go. Mag-walk na naman tayo. Daming nagbabicycle dito kasi ano siya, bicycle. Dito tayo sa spiral na hindi ko alam kung anong tawag nila dito. Spiral siya ito. Spiral. Kalimutan ko yung selfie stick sa ano, sa car. So, ayan. First time kong punta dito. Lagi kong nadadaanan to, pero first time kong punta. And finally, I'm here. And ito na yung highway, yung papuntang Jurong. And then the other side papuntang Telok-Blangga City. Maraming nagbabicycle dito eh, kasi ano siya, spiral. Ayan yung mga colorful na building. And of course, andyan yung temple. Bagong condo, mga bagong building na pinatira naman. Kaya doon na kami galing kanina sa baba. Yeah. So nice this place, guys. Kung yung mga mahilig na mag-bicycle, so you can come here. And ayan. Ayan na yung temple, oh. Ayan. This is the temple. And then some colorful building there. And then the new condo place. Then doon kami galing kanina, yan, sa baba. Naglakad kami doon. So ngayon, pupunta kami sa kabila, tatawid kami. Ayan, may tawiran doon. Pupunta sa kabila. Ayan. O, diba? kung saan ako nakakagala, guys. Let's enjoy our off day and always take care. Wag lang masyado sa mga crowded place. So dito naman sa place na pinuntahan ko is it's okay because not so you see hindi ka madidisgrasya dito kasi ito yung for walking and then the cycling go there this side is go there and then the other side is other opposite, so you have a walking space also and then for bicycle. Diba? Yan, ito na yung highway natin, ito yung papuntang Jurong. And then the other way is going to city. See? You see, so nice the flower. Then you see the flower. This one, I show you something flower. That's very nice. Very nice the flower. Ayan. Ang ganda ng mga bulaklak. See, very nice flower. And then of course the pink one. See? And then this one. Nakakapagod. This is the walking path, then there's a bicycle path. Yeah. So, walang madidisgrasya dito, guys, kasi ang mga tao is marunong sumunod kung saan sila dadaan. This is the right way to walk. So, ayan. Pupunta tayo sa baba. Ayan. And then the highway, the other side. Hirap din maglakad. Pastilan. Nakakapagod. We walking on the wall. How to go back later? I don't want to go already. Then where we go? So far, wow. You think what? Go to the river? Then this is the river. Wow, so many bicycles here. No fishing, cannot fishing there. Okay, come we go back. Wow, so far. Go back now. Kasi nakakapagod maglakad. We walk to the right way.